Everyone, we're here at Gridlife Midwest for a great weekend of drifting with RTR. We got 3 cars here this weekend. What's up? So Ben's car, Vaughn's car and my car in last year's trim. So pretty cool to see the difference between the S550 and the S650. I made some changes to the car. Last year we were on 275s on the rear and now we're on 315 tires. So bit more grip, bit more side bite. So we're about to go out for a first run, just have some fun, feel this amazing crack here in Gingerman again, and yeah, we'll work out a plan with Vaughn and Ben, see what we're gonna do. What's the plan, Vaughn?
Go have
you all good?
Fun.
Yeah, man.
Go run some doors, not trash our cars, and
we'll try not anyway. Easier said than done sometimes.
Try, right?
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, this is a fun event.
Hell yeah.
I'm excited. We don't have much time, so
let's get to it.
Yeah. Okay, so we're in the car. Vaughn's getting ready. Ben's ready. Becky's getting ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready for a sketchy birthday ride?
Yeah. There we go. I'm in.
Everything in the left-hand drive car for me is a bit sketchy, but it makes it fun. I enjoy it. Enjoy the challenge. What's wrong with it?
It's just like, I don't know, it's stuttering, dude.
Stuttering?
Stuttering, yeah. It's got a
stutter. Okay, so they checked the plugs. Plugs look okay.
Plugs look okay.
Okay.
I don't know, dude. It doesn't feel like it's like a boost leak or anything.
Yeah.
It just feels like once it's wanting to hit limiter, it just like stops it, and then gets up and then stops it.
Okay.
It's like something the ECU's telling it.
That's shutting the throttle body off. Yeah. So far, it's been a great first day of Gridlife. It's super chill, isn't it?
It's the most chill. I feel like you can actually just drive and not worry.
Going good. I'm having fun in the left-hand drive car. It's a different challenge, of course, sitting on the other side, but it's fun. To be honest, the biggest difference is the steering feel with using the electric rack versus the hydraulic rack we run in the pro cars. So the electric rack gives a very different feel, like a lazy kind of transition feel in the Mustangs. I'm a big fan of the normal hydraulic power steering racks, and that's the biggest thing. Other than that, it's just really good fun. These cars are under a lot of pressure to do this big course. We're between gears, so there's a lot of shifting, but it makes it a lot of fun. Woo!
Like Hyundai logos on it.
Sneaking in a fresh alternator. We lost voltage on the last run, so team are putting in a fresh brand new alternator now. What's cool about this is it's the exact same Ford Performance Coyote motor that I run in the Mustang back home, except it's got a big Vortex supercharger on it. so makes quite a bit more power. These engines are totally stock, just with the supercharger fitted, which is sick, as they obviously make quite a lot more power than a stock car. And this car actually has a lot of history as well. This is the car that Vaughn had at the Nürburgring, where he did his full lap drift at the Nürburgring, which was sick back in the day. And it was also the first demo car that they built in the 2014 or start of 2015. This was first built. One of the first S550s drifting, and yeah, it has a lot of history. Vaughn also had it at Goodwood a couple of times. Yeah, so it's cool to be driving this car. So I think for future events we're going to be switching to an S650 demo car, as well as the Pro car. So that's going to be cool. And I even heard talks about it maybe being right-hand drive, so let's see. But I enjoy it being left-hand drive. It's really fun. As I said, the biggest thing to get used to is the steering, because when you're on the handbrake, you're doing all your steering with the left hand, and I'm not really used to using my left hand to feed the wheel, because these cars with the electric steering rack still need quite a bit of hand to wheel input over a hydraulic rack. But no, it's a good challenge. I'm enjoying driving with Ben. Driving with Vaughn is always great. The weekend here at Gridlife. Amazing time with Vaughn, Ben and the RTR team. And we're back from a successful trip in America at Orlando and Gridlife with RTR. Really fun time over there. Here's a quick update what the guys were up to while I was away. Michael and Mikey and my nephew Chris were full hands on deck trying to get this thing finished ahead of Drift Masters this weekend.
Mikey, what's the plan?
What's going on? So just finalising measurements here for clearance for the clutch, the ACT clutch, and the sensors. But plan is to get this car done for Drift Masters in less than 2 weeks. So pressure's on.
What's next now?
Next is these body panels from 6 elements. We got the delivery, thanks to Matty. Unbelievable quality. We just started laying a few of them up on the car at the minute. Plan is today to start the kit, because Mike is doing the engine above and he's all in garage. Mainly for me will be the body kit and the fitting up. So we have like the rad, the fuel cell, steering, voice hub, coilovers, all that already on the car. So we have a good head start, but still a lot to do. We just quickly laid up the door and the quarter panel, but as you can see already, without any like modifying or anything. We got good gaps, good lines. The weave, the Kevlar is all matching. So I'm really looking forward to actually piecing it together and seeing what it's actually like as one piece. So just to show the quality of the product, this is the boot skin, and as you can see, unbelievably light, unbelievably flexible, which is always good when it comes to the drift car. At the minute we have the front YSL band, the version 3 front rack kit, just because it's stronger. James has a nice feeling with the steering with it. It gives nice feedback, say better for snappy transitions, stuff like that. We're running the good old faithful BC coilovers. Again, amazing quality, amazing feedback for the driver, good adjustability. When you come further back, we have all the ECU Master products. Again, keeping everything in check, keeping the engine happy. We have the GPS to CAN, We have the PMUs, front and rear. We have battery isolator, we have the keypad here, within a reach of any driver. We have a dash here at the minute, but we'll take up the backup first. Again, just came back from wiring recently, so we have still a lot of work to do, still a lot more to finish. As we come further back, we have the radium fuel cell. We have the rad mounted this way, a little bit different to the last car, just because we think it's better for cooling and safer for running the walls and stuff for clearance. Again, radium header tank on it. As you can see, the fuel cell is here now moved, repositioned from the last car again, just for better weight transfer, and offset to the driver again, just to get that better balance. And again, the BC's in the rear with all the rear Y-spab. So should be fairly sweet.
Yeah, so I came home to a totally different looking car. Really impressed with how it's all coming together. My brother has the 2JZ engine built and it's sitting in place with all the same normal parts that I use in my own cars. So daily Joy Sum kit, which is absolute work of art. DC power alternator, Borg Warner 9180 with the Turbo Smart 40mm gates on this car. FMIC intercooler, all the intercooler pipes are made, and it's all starting to lay together nicely. Under here you can see how amazing that Joy Sum pan is. It's a work of art. So right now under the bonnet the guys are finishing off the plumbing for the oil system. The fuel system is all plumbed, all ready to go, and we'll have a plate made here for the Joy Sum tank on the inside. So this is Bandit Drifters made by Sixth Element kit, all Carbon Kevlar, super lightweight. Really impressed with the quality and how it's all coming together on the car. So Mikey is just tidying it up. How's the fit, Mikey? What's it like to work with?
It's very good to be fair.
Even the inside of the bonnet, like, there's a lot of effort made in making the inner skin, and it's all custom made, which takes a lot of time and effort. But this car is going to be ready and at Mondello Park this weekend. For Drift Masters. It's gonna be also awesome. Yesterday I went down to Yin Speed to retune the S14.9. We switched to the Borg Warner 9280 turbo, one step up from the 9180. So this is the biggest wheels they offer at the moment in their EFR series. So it's a really nice system. No additional leg and a tiny bit more power. So we also tuned the car with the nitrous on the dyno. So super responsive. We haven't used the nitrous in this car in quite a while, but obviously with the grip levels that we're all running now, you need every last bit of power you can get. After Oman as well, obviously the S14.9 came back pretty battered and bruised. Moose design rewrapped the car, and it's looking super fresh ahead of Drift Masters. Mikey did a great job repairing the panels on the car, so it looks really fresh again. And yeah, no, I'm excited. We got some new logos on there. We got the new Heatwave branding on the rear quarters. There's a couple of new logos to go on it too before it is totally ready. We'll be putting on the DS15s in the front to match the back. And yeah, I'm super pumped to get in this car again. It's always a fun time. Obviously windows must go back in, door handles. I aligned it last night so it's ready for track. Dyno session did great. We made 950 horsepower. And yeah, I'm excited. So right now it's Thursday. Drift Master starts tomorrow. S14.9 is pretty much ready, and the S15 is almost there. So we're not going to show you the full car before it's finished. It's going to be on display this weekend. And yeah, Chris is just plumbing up the rear brakes. It's getting really, really close. It's a quick sneak peek underneath. As I said, I won't show you exactly what it looks like until it's finished and at the track on display at the Lucky Day competition stand. We're going to keep at it and looking forward to this weekend. It's going to be great to be back behind the wheel of the S14.9. So see you all there who's ever going this weekend, and whoever's not, make sure you check it out on the live stream. It's going to be a wild event, insane competition, and I'm excited to see everyone there.